Welcome to this week's Hymn of the Week. This week we have ELW 532, Gather Us In by Marty Haugen. In 1979, Marty Haugen composed this tune and text, but he was inspired by another hymn that we find in our hymnal 524, What Is This Place? So I encourage you to listen to me sing verses 1 and 3, and it will give you an idea of how it inspired here in this place, or Gather Us In. So this is called What Is This Place? What is this place where we are meeting? Only a house, the earth its floor, walls and a roof, sheltering people, windows for light and open door. Yet it becomes a body that lives when we are gathered here, and know our God is near. Verse 3, and we accept bread at this table, broken and shared, our living sign. Here in this world, dying and living, we are each other's bread and wine. This is the place where we can receive what we need to embrace our justice and God's peace. Absolutely beautiful melody. I can see why Marty Haugen didn't want to touch this and do something different. But it is the same kind of theme, same kind of idea. So let's read a quote from him. And he says the following. Let me get it for you right here. I wanted to experiment with how an American worship community might similarly understand gathering together in Christ's presence. So that's the idea of gather us in. 532 and ELW. And what's really neat is there's two things I want to highlight just real briefly. First of all, you have these pairs of words that have an additional power on top of what we just heard from the Dutch tune and hymn. We have lost and forsaken, rich and haughty, gathers in the blind and the lame, the proud and the strong. New light, darkness has vanished away. There's this comparison, but also, I would say, this idea of writing in pairs with the themes. And then, let's look at one other thing, actually the key, which is not very American. So it's interesting that he said he wanted to make it American, because what we have here is the following. And D to D on the white keys is an old church mode called Dorian. So because of the C natural, not the C sharp. So it gives it an interesting flavor, but I think as I play it, it reminds me of the people we need to welcome in, that we don't want to welcome in. Who are those people that seem not fitting for the worship of Christ, and to partake with it at the table at communion? So here we go. Gather us in.